Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable your LinkedIn profile visibility on your PC using the latest update. If you want recruiters, potential clients, or colleagues to easily find your profile, making it visible to the public is essential. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or the word Me. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page, where you can see all your details, posts, and connections. Now pay attention to the right side of your profile page. You'll notice a section labeled Public Profile and URL. Next to it, there's a small edit icon that looks like a pencil. Go ahead and click on that edit icon. A new tab or window will open, taking you to the public profile settings. Here, you'll see various options for customizing how your profile appears to people outside your LinkedIn network. At the top right of this page, you'll find a switch labeled Your Profile's Public Visibility. If this switch is turned off, your profile won't appear in search engines or be accessible to people who aren't logged into LinkedIn. To enable your profile's public visibility, simply click the switch so it turns blue. Once it's enabled, you can scroll down and choose which sections of your profile you want to make visible to the public, such as your headline, summary, experience, and more. That's it. Your LinkedIn profile is now visible to everyone. This simple update ensures that your professional presence is accessible, making it easier for opportunities to come your way. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and LinkedIn tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.